Show some respect for the court, whoever the court is. You don't have to feel respect for me, but you have to show respect for the
I am showing respect, but you're being disrespectful to me.
We go to Eureka, Kansas for an arraignment. 42-year-old Rihanna Ray Johnson has been charged with driving with a suspended license and having no insurance. 3 months earlier, Johnson, a mother of 3, was pulled over for driving with a damaged windshield. And when the trooper learned Johnson's license was suspended and that she didn't have insurance, he issued her a citation and she was ordered to appear in court. Today, Johnson appears remotely, without an attorney, before Judge Phyllis Webster to discuss next steps in the case. The prosecutor is Jared Regier.
Your Honor, the state is recommending a bond of the very least $3,500. Besides the charges currently before the court, the state understands this is a defendant with at least one prior driver's license violation, a diversion for DUI, as well as at least one non-traffic felony conviction.
I haven't received a DUI. When did they say I had a DUI on that?
Your Honor, it does appear to be somewhat dated. Nevertheless, given the nature of the offense, the state does consider it relevant for purposes of setting an appropriate bond in this matter.
When was it dated, you said?
Approximately 20 years by the state's understanding, Your Honor.
20 years. So you bring up something for 20 years ago?
Sure he can. I'm not going to consider it, but for all the other reasons he stated, 3,500 OR sounds reasonable, and I am going to make that your bond.
And why is that? Just because I have...
Well, you have a lengthy record, ma'am, starting in 2004 up to now.
I mean, I'm not trying to argue with it, but I don't have a really extensive record except for a couple driving on suspended.
Going back to your record, there's some children involved in some cases that I won't use
But that's irrelevant with this.
All right,
I mean...
look. Okay, are you going to let me be the judge and tell you what's relevant and what's not, or are you going to just take over the case?
No, but you don't have to be rude to me. I mean, but I don't know what my children have to do with me driving on suspended.
I'm not going to let you talk down to me like that when you're the one that's accused of violating the law, and then you come in here with an attitude trying to tell me how it's going to be.
No.
Stop.
No, but you're bringing my children into it for why? My children have nothing to do with me driving on suspended. They have nothing to do with that. None of them cases do.
Judge Webster appears to be running out of patience.
Show some respect for the court, whoever the court is. You don't have to feel respect for me, but you have to show respect for the
I am showing respect, but you're being disrespectful to me.
You want me to make it a cash or surety bond? Because you're starting to show me an attitude that I don't know that you respect the court enough to follow the court's orders.
I do respect the court.
You just don't respect me personally. Is that what you're saying?
No, I do respect everybody, but I feel like I'm not being respected at all. But I will keep my mouth shut and you can proceed and I will come back with my attorney.
You are provoking the court, Ms. Johnson, and you need to stop it.
Despite the judge's warning, Johnson's got more to say.
I have a question. How far back do you guys go? I mean, use that against a person. I thought it was like 7 years.
I don't know where you heard that I can't use anything you've done after 7 years, criminally speaking, but I have never heard that law. They didn't teach me that in my law school. Maybe they did in yours, but not in mine. Ma'am,
I was just asking a question. You don't have to be rude. I was just asking a question.
You know, I'm really trying to stay calm and not find you in contempt. But the way you are sassing and disrespecting and arguing with the court puts you in a position where I could find you in contempt, order you to pay a fine, and actually order you to serve jail time. Ms. Johnson, anything else you want to take up before I let you go?
No, Your Honor.
All right.
Johnson posted the $3,500 bond and was released. She's yet to enter a plea, and her case is pending.